Black Friday is here, and let's be real, the kitchen is where the real magic happens. But with a million deals out there, which ones are actually worth your money? Well, we've done the digging for you. From professional-grade cutlery to space-saving miracles and smart tech that cooks for you, these are the top 30 kitchen deals you need to see this year. Make sure to check the links in the description below. Kicking off our countdown at number 30 is the Gramercy Mandolin Slicer. It gives you surgical precision for everything from paper-thin cucumbers for salads to thick-cut steak fries. For just $43, it includes interchangeable blades for julienne and crinkle cuts, and most importantly, cut-resistant gloves and a food holder for total safety. If you value consistency and speed in your prep work, this deal is a sharp one you shouldn't overlook. At number 29, we have the Badal Oil Splash Guard. This is a heavy-duty two-piece system that forms a fortress around your stovetop. Each massive 16-inch panel shields your backsplash and counter from greasy messes, and they fold flat for easy storage. For $49, you also get a bonus silicone spoon rest. It's not just for indoor cooking. Take it camping to shield your camp stove from the wind. It's an unsung hero for keeping your kitchen clean. And at number 28, the Cutlux Brisket Knife for Barbecue Masters. It is a 12-inch carving knife designed for one job: flawless slicing. Made from high-carbon German steel and hand-sharpened to a razor's edge, it glides through brisket, turkey, and roasts without shredding or tearing, creating picture-perfect, uniform slices. For $44, including a protective sheath and a lifetime warranty, this is an investment in your culinary credibility. Number 27 is for everyone who wants a perfect breakfast with zero fuss. The Hamilton Beach Electric Egg Cooker is a compact powerhouse for $33. It can hard-boil 9 eggs perfectly, steam poached eggs or egg bites, and it even has a built-in non-stick skillet for omelets or scrambled eggs. Simply add water using the included measuring cup and let it work its magic. It's a game-changer for egg lovers. And at number 26, bring the pizzeria home with the Piezzono Crispy Crust Oven. It fires up to a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, heating a natural ceramic stone that cooks a pizza with a perfectly crispy crust and bubbly melted toppings in just 5 to 6 minutes. For $99, you get dual temperature controls for the top and bottom. If you're serious about your homemade pizza, this countertop unit is a monumental upgrade. And at number 25, we have the ultimate space-saving appliance, the Bella Hand and Stand Mixer. This brilliant 2-in-1 device gives you the control of a hand mixer and the hands-free convenience of a stand mixer, all for just $49. It can handle everything from whipping cream to kneading heavy bread dough. Everything nests inside the included bowls for compact storage, making it the perfect solution for bakers with limited kitchen real estate. Number 24 proves you don't need a fancy oven for a better pizza. The Hongbake Perforated Pizza Pan. Those tiny holes aren't just for show. They dramatically increase airflow under the dough, which prevents steam from making your crust soggy and ensures an evenly baked, crispy base every time. For only $16, you get 2 heavy-duty non-stick pans that are also fantastic for baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or reheating leftovers to perfection.
Coming in at number 23 is the incredibly innovative Sums Titanium Cutting Board for $27. This is a 2-in-1 system with a food-grade titanium side designed for raw and cooked meats and a standard PP side for produce. The titanium surface is antimicrobial, scratch-resistant, and won't absorb odors or stains. It features a deep juice groove, a built-in garlic grinder, and a handle for easy hanging. At number 22, perfect for small spaces, is the SKO Boil Electric Kettle. This compact 0.8-liter kettle boils water for your tea or coffee in just about 4 minutes. The entire interior is stainless steel, so water never touches plastic, preserving a pure, clean taste. For $29, you get automatic shutoff, boil-dry protection, and a cool touch double wall. It's an ideal, fast, and safe solution for minimalist kitchen countertops. Deal number 21 is the Stutov Magnetic Stovetop Shelf. This tool-free install shelf attaches powerfully to the back of any metal stovetop, creating a dedicated space for your most used cooking oils, spices, and utensils. For $32, you reclaim precious counter space and keep everything within arm's reach while you cook. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it's a stylish upgrade that streamlines your entire cooking workflow right at the point of use. Number 20 is the Malacca Set 12-piece dinnerware set. It provides a service for four with a minimalist, modern design featuring durable ivory porcelain and sophisticated black rims. These plates and bowls are highly resistant to scratches, chips, and heat. For $48, you get a lead-free, dishwasher and microwave-safe set that's as practical for daily use as it is beautiful for entertaining guests. Landing at number 19 is the Vovoli Spatula Set. This 4-piece collection is built for performance, not just appearance. Made from stainless steel, these tools have zero flex, making them perfect for smashing burgers, getting under delicate fish fillets, or scraping down a griddle. For only $16, this dishwasher-safe set is a professional-grade upgrade that will stand up to years of heavy use on cast iron and stainless steel cookware. Deal number 18 is the Techef Frittata and Omelette Pan, which solves one of the home cook's greatest challenges, the perfect folded omelet. You cook your fillings on both sides, pour in your beaten eggs, and then simply close the pan. It creates a beautifully stuffed, restaurant-quality omelet without any messy flipping or breaking. For $41, this pan takes the stress out of breakfast and delivers flawless, fluffy results every single time. At number 17, we have the Husk Kitchen Scissors and Cooking Tongs set. These aren't ordinary scissors. Their curved, serrated blades are engineered to grip and powerfully cut through poultry bones, cartilage, and tough packaging. Paired with the secure grip barbecue tongs, this $15 set becomes an indispensable partner from everything from breaking down a chicken to trimming herbs and flipping steaks on the grill. The number 16 spot goes to the Wiseco Mixing Bowls, a true all-in-one prep solution. This 5-piece set includes nested, rust-proof bowls with secure fitting lids for easy storage and freshness. The genius part is the grater attachments that lock into the lids, turning any bowl into a stationary grater for cheese or vegetables. For $29, you eliminate the need for multiple separate tools, saving you time on meal prep.
Just in time for the holidays, number 15 is the OXO Good Grips Fat Separator for $27. This clever tool lets you make healthier, restaurant-quality gravies and sauces. You pour your pan drippings through the built-in strainer, let the fat rise to the top, and then press the handle to pour out the clean, flavorful liquid from the bottom, leaving the grease behind. The non-slip handle and clear measurements make it easy. At number 14, we have the Vacu Oil and Vinegar Dispenser Set. This beautiful 2-piece set features 17-ounce glass bottles with airtight, leak-proof stainless steel spouts for precise pouring and freshness preservation. For $20, it includes a sleek metal caddy for easy transport and storage, extra spouts, and a funnel. This set doesn't just organize your cooking oils and vinegars, it elevates your countertop. At number 13, we have the Crock-Pot Multi-Meal Multi-Cooker. This revolutionary appliance features 2 separate 3.7-quart pots, meaning you can cook a main and a side, or 2 entirely different meals, and they will finish at the same time. It slow cooks, sears, steams, and even bakes. For $119, you can replace over a dozen kitchen appliances. It's the ultimate solution for feeding a family or meal prepping with incredible efficiency. Deal number 12 is the King Garden Electric Can Opener. Designed with accessibility in mind, this gadget requires just one button press to automatically open any standard can, leaving a safe, smooth edge. For seniors or anyone with arthritis or limited hand strength, this $21 device restores independence in the kitchen. With deal number 11, indulge in perfectly crispy fried food at home with the Pukumsi Deep Fryer. It heats oil quickly and maintains a consistent, adjustable temperature up to 374 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the key to food that's crispy, not greasy. The viewing window lets you monitor progress. For $55, you can make professional quality fries, chicken, and more for your family right on your countertop. Next, the Whiskey Gun Decanter Set at number 10 is a bold, handcrafted glass piece that holds over 10 ounces of your favorite spirit, complete with 2 bullet-shaped shot glasses and a display stand. For $37, it's a fantastic, unique gift for any whiskey enthusiast, perfect for a home bar or man cave. It's a blend of function and novelty that's guaranteed to be a talking point at any gathering. Deal number 9 is the Nutty Whiz Nut Milk Maker. This powerful countertop appliance creates ultra-smooth almond, oat, or soy milk in minutes without any pre-soaking. It also makes smoothies, shakes, and more. For $49, you get a large glass pitcher, a self-cleaning function, and a delay start timer. It's a healthier, more economical, and incredibly convenient way to enjoy fresh, additive-free plant milks right at home. Deal number 8 brings us back to a breakfast classic perfected, the Ramjoy 2-Slice Toaster. It offers more than just basic toasting. Its extra-wide slots comfortably accommodate thick artisanal bread, bagels, and pastries. With 7 browning settings and dedicated functions for bagels, defrosting, and reheating, it gives you complete control. For $42, this model with a removable crumb tray delivers consistent, perfect results.
At number 7, never overcook your meat again with the smart wireless meat thermometer. This isn't a simple probe. It's a Bluetooth-connected cooking assistant with dual sensors for both the internal meat temperature and the ambient oven or grill heat. The app provides guided recipes, custom alerts, and doneness levels, all with pinpoint accuracy. For $43, you get perfectly cooked roasts, steaks, and smoked meats every time. Deal number 6 is the Toolpix Cold Press Juicer. Unlike loud, fast-spinning centrifugal juicers, this machine uses a slow, gentle masticating process that extracts maximum juice yield and preserves more nutrients and enzymes. Its huge 5.3-inch feed chute means minimal pre-cutting. For $85, you get a quiet, efficient juicer that produces very dry pulp and nutrient-rich, vibrant juice from all kinds of fruits and vegetables. The Boomet electric food processor earns the number 5 spot. It can grind 2 pounds of meat or chop a massive quantity of vegetables in under 20 seconds. It comes with both a stainless steel and a glass bowl and a unique LED timer for precision. For just $39, this powerhouse eliminates tedious manual prep, making it ideal for making burgers, sausages, salsas, and breadcrumbs with professional speed and consistency. At number 4, we have the Edelhaus Glass Spice Jar Set. This massive set includes 24 square glass jars with airtight stainless steel lids, dual shaker tops, waterproof labels, and a funnel. The square design maximizes space in your drawer or cabinet, and the clear glass allows you to see your spices at a glance. For $31, this set transforms a cluttered, chaotic spice collection into a uniform, professional, and incredibly functional system. Taking the number 3 spot is the tasty single-serve coffee maker. This machine brews from both K-cups and ground coffee, and it specializes in both hot and iced coffee styles. The built-in detachable milk frother allows you to create cafe-quality lattes and cappuccinos at home. For $59 with its large removable reservoir and compact design, it's the perfect all-in-one coffee station for any home. Our runner-up at number 2 is the brilliantly smart Tyforce Sync Air Fryer. This isn't just another air fryer. It has a built-in wireless meat thermometer that monitors your food's internal temperature in real time and automatically stops cooking when it reaches perfect doneness. For $159, you get a large-capacity, app-controlled appliance that takes the guesswork out of cooking, guaranteeing perfect proteins every single time. And now our number 1 Black Friday kitchen deal of the year, the Red Chef 16-piece ceramic cookware set. For just $56, you get a complete cookware collection where every pot and pan has a removable handle. This means you can sear on the stove, detach the handle, and transfer the same vessel directly into the oven, your refrigerator, or to the table as a beautiful serving dish. They are non-toxic, work on all stovetops, and their brilliant stackable design saves up to 75% of your cabinet space. There you have it, 30 incredible deals to transform your kitchen this Black Friday. All links to shop these amazing discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Like this video and subscribe for more content like this.